Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is me Syed and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are a blogger and searching how to write a blog, yeah, you have come to this video because of a blogger. You're searching on YouTube. This is why you're a blogger and want to write a blog. If you're a blogger and you don't have a clue how to write a blog and what sort of thing I have to write a blog, and you don't have a clue, so today in this video I'm going to tell you the easiest and convenient way how you can write a blog and for your website or for bing.com. If you're give a blog anywhere, want to post a blog, so from now you don't have to do any search about blog or like on a Google or anywhere. Okay, today in this video I'm gonna tell you the easiest and convenient way through which you can write a blog for your website or any sort of thing. So watch the video full and don't skip any part. Let's go towards the video, but before starting your, I'm gonna do a little bit request to you that if you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel up till now, so make sure that you subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon as well for the further informative videos like this. Let's go towards the mobile screen. So you can see here my mobile screen, and now you have to go and open your Chrome browser, okay, and directly open AI Chat GPT will come in front of you. If you don't know what is Chat GPT and how to open it, so I've already made a video on it. You can go, and I'll give the link in description below as well. So you can go and search visit there and how to log in or sign into ChatGPT and what is ChatGPT. Okay, I've already made a video, so you can watch it. So you can see here the dashboard of ChatGPT. So we're gonna search in the search bar, okay, for what we are searching, like a blog. So we're gonna just write here, write a script, not a blog, okay, for my website on football. Okay, there we go. You can see here they will write the whole blog for yourself, like for free, and you don't have to search anywhere in the Google. In a Google, when you search, so they will give you the website, different website. You have to visit different websites, and then you have to search, and number by number, and then you have to copy it and blah blah blah. It's a long process, and it will bore you. So but in this method you wouldn't be bored. Just come here, search, and max search. Like, if you don't have a clue, like I write a blog on football. If you don't have, so you can just write the blog for my website. As it was a job, in a second it will write the best blog for you. Okay, so you can see the whole blog. Okay, just like I already told you, just copy and then go and paste it. So this is all about today's video. If today's video is a little bit informative for you, so make sure that you give the thumb to the video as well, and share your opinion in the comment below as well, and subscribe on YouTube channel and press the bell icon as well for receiving the further more informative videos like this. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video. Allah Hafiz.